do we have to say in one line? Trust TMC. Trust TMC. We are here to serve Goa for years to come. What is the date of today's press conference? The date of today's press conference is September 15, 2021. September 15, 2021. I'm repeating. Today's press conference is dated September 15, 2021. Please look at the records of what we said in September 2021 to the people of Goa. We said, trust TMC, we are here to serve Goa for years to come. Yes, that is our credibility, that we can say the same thing on September 15, 2022.